Hey guys, what's going on? Super excited to tell you a little bit about a product I recently tried from the beauty store. And you can purchase this online too, so not to worry. It is called GlamGlow. It's a SUPERMUD Clearing Treatment. I got the travel size tube in 0.3 ounces, 10 grams. So this is, of course, is the smaller size. If you buy the larger size, you could get a whole tub of it. And that will be a little bit bigger, of course, but I love to try the little travel sizes first and see how I feel and if I like the product. And I think that because you only use this product once a week, you could get quite a few uses out of it. So I think that this is something amazing, well worth the price, and not even that crazy. You could definitely buy the bigger version after if you want, if you try this and you like it, of course. But I'm definitely obsessed with it. So I'm going to give you the product description. So the formula was clinically developed by GlamGlow dermatological chemists to help fight all common skin concerns, including breakouts, discoloration, black and whiteheads, razor bumps, and ingrown hairs. Powerful skin clearing mud visibly draws out dirt and congestion, while a proprietary 6-acid blend dramatically brightens and softens skin. It works to magnetically draw out dirt and pores with activated X charcoal, leaving skin smooth and healthy looking. So I know I see on even on social media a lot of people are raving about the charcoal masks, and I have tried some in the past and I absolutely love them because I feel like a lot of them work so, not all of them, but I feel like a lot of them work so well at extractions, like pulling out the whiteheads and even blackheads. And that's awesome that it's something you could do at home, because if you go to the salon or the spa, you're spending at the very least $100 on a facial. So, to buy a product and to be able to do it at home is really amazing. And as much as it's nice to go get a facial, sometimes it's unrealistic to be keeping on top of it and going every month because of the cost, and because, let's face it, not everybody has time to go drive to the salon and spend an hour and a half there to get a facial. So this is something I think that is very cost efficient and very time efficient as well. So this product, I believe this brand has actually been around for a while because I have heard of it before. For the regular size, you could get quite a few uses out of it. So I think it lasted. The smaller version is lasting longer than I expected. So even when you think everything is gone out of it, you think you squeezed it all out, there's actually some left in there too. So just keep that in mind. It's funny because I'm 29, so I really thought at this point in my life I wouldn't get blemishes. But I mean, I don't get breakouts like crazy, but once in a while I'll get a blemish here and there, and especially if I'm menstruating or whatever. So this is awesome because it will help get rid of your blemishes, especially if you guys have teen daughters or something and you're looking for something to use at home. Then this is great, and I recommend you trying this on blemishes as well. So when you feel something coming up, put it, you can put this on your face and it will be clear again, and it'll have a healthy glow. So, and the travel size is 0.5 ounces. It's the GlamGlow Supermud Clearing Treatment from Hollywood, California. And then we have the directions on the back here. So apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave on for 5 to 20 minutes, use as a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week, or spot treatment as needed. Not for use on sensitive skin, avoid eye area, use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using and the week after. So be careful not to go in the sun afterwards. GlamGlow LLC, distributed in Hollywood, California, made in USA. So I'm going to go ahead and open this so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so it can get a little messy and the smell's not so great. If I had to, I don't know how to explain what it smells like. It just almost has a sunscreeny smell to it. It's nothing crazy, but it works really well. The consistency is great, and you could use this on your neck as well as your face. And it just works really great. Kind of has that charcoal look, thick but very smooth consistency, very light, and all around awesome product. Will help get rid of blemishes, give you a nice glow, and remove whiteheads and blackheads, and it feels kind of cooling and just nice on your skin. It has that cool minty feeling, which I really like about it. also as well. So yeah, you could use this a couple times a week. So I hope you guys will try it out. Sorry, my hand's a little bit messy, but this was a GlamGlow Supermud Clearing Treatment, and I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.